Okay, FM 101.7.
Ora Peter Buama Otukuno, Deputy General Secretary, Edema NDC Amanyuko no. Mira me moje.
Yo, kwame mejozo.
Nabokodie.
Nyame adom bibi aboko.
Yo.
Na anope mun komodi amodifa nurse nasa no ho na.
Ai.
Because say mo mo twe nurse na so e be ha Isaac pa because na me ni di ho komo o si therapeutic sa de no ye sure say no na ama recovery na adults.
Now, Obi Bisa say, are we not sometimes hypocrites? Say, when you be a Sabian Kayabection as one idea, Kaya friend said, sister, we a few one next time, men, yes, Abim. What would you say?
Oh, kwame we me hu se you be a ekoya asotwe bi asa isan se asa asa ne wodi na asa nso de amafo she uniform se si a software bi aba ya friend TikTok focus wa so ja fu ye bi na police fu ye bi na fu ye bi doctor fu ye bi. I mean, they are having fun. They are just entertaining themselves. Entertainment so no scientists call the culture entertainment is very therapeutic for Omwa. Sometimes we are intimidated. So the many Isaac here jumpa.
Adie we ma hwe adie bi Ghana ha ana se wiase nyina. Se video bi ba na yesi video ni nya wo be ko ebi a social media na nipa hwe wo ho pa na gina edi we di wanya di eso no wo hwe no sa friend yo ah adie enye no anka si ko ni ko bi enhwe ni ye hwe filisa na mama me na nkomo so ene the new crusading guide or the abeto animu ha new voters register blues attack on EC needless peace council and kasai na wosan ekofa the Ghanaian Observer was say stop needless attacks on EC peace council na ye kan nyina ekowie se na nse kwa mo de betu dwase electoral commission any national identification authority on kwa de omo so de krata ba ye be hu adwuma ne any wọ́n bẹ̀ sọ wọ́n ka bọ̀ mu wọ́n boa MPP ní wọ́n san retain power. Isi say the attacks in the voters register no me ade ade ni needless. Asemi mo gene say. Isi
yo kwame ne di kan peace council for ensem na wọ́n kan ya bank tabu. Kwame are ho chere say peace council there ndumedie no nyina gina sɛ mobɛbɔ mmɔden na matotototo nneɛma de aboa wɔ man no. In fact, peace council president no case council no and it's wadi no a yɛde teɛ no ɛnyɛ sɛ wɔn bɛgrante interviews na sɛdeɛ wɔn ato ayampia ama wɔn a wɔn nte nneɛma bi ase anaasɛ wɔn bɛhuri agyina ekuo baako akyi na womu akasha momu enso kamera me say kwame me ayati peace council you mu tumadi dudo na emprebibri omatu omani asi so a ase ye de nsem koto omani na ya aseminya womu mfa ho afi womu amfie na ye kan adwen so a womu zihei aden ya kan adwen okoye say peace council na wo no kese wo ginemu na uji adiantam na ntawantawa ba wo fre efenum yinu na woni omodi nkomo no wo sori ana wo firi asi ba ko achi na chese wo to ayampia eno so ba ne sa dia na peace council no wantimi anya wadwuma ene sen kwame nsemi sha si yene electoral commission says sa dawri ya ya twa register ma se nka ta kwa ya dia akoma peace council tami ha mani a eburu be chidu
o sa
ye ni ho ni ma peace council yes dodo na mi ankasa na me package this ma emayedeko ye interparty resistance against the new voter register krata ye na ye come peace council but that procure the one more ma tro say yɛnsa aka mo leta no na nsɛm no a makeka no ɛnyɛ nsɛmpa nti momfa mo nsɛmfo nkɔ do da korokoro ani hɔ no nti yɛba ne sɛn na ɛnɛ na yɛakɔduru yi na yɛka na yɛkɔ so yɛn nyinaa yɛhu yɛn nyinaa yɛtema mu ha nyinaa hu sɛ aban NI NEC ɛyɛ kasobom bi a wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn de treatmentfoɔ tumi firi wɔn nsɛm na yɛka wɔ yɛngya yi si na ɔnyɛ n'adwuma yɛngya yi leaders ata ɛde wɔn na atake electoral commission ɛna ano ɔmo atete ɛna ano fiada ɔmo atwerɛ nkrataa bɛyɛ sɛ wɔn pɛ sɛ yɛne electoral commission ɛkɔ dialogue mu kwame nsɛm yi start yɛ ne Austin Gami ADR Center. Wɔn twerɛ nkrataa ba political parties ɛyɛ involved nyinaa ɛne electoral commission sɛ yɛnkɔ ne yɛnka ne yɛnhwɛ kwan a yɛbɛtumi aresolve saa nsɛm bi. Electoral commission can also need time for dispute resolution, for dialogue, only time for it. In fact, that was the response the minister gave to them. All political parties agreed that we are ready to participate. It didn't happen. Near to electoral commission, our platform, all political parties, any civil society organizations, now that platform, yes, I say you know, Robert in 1994, and I used to take that platform. Into probably decisions via electoral commission basically taking a free IPAC. Kwame, when you say free last year, ABC say this year, IPAC meetings I am Marco. Can you believe that? On this new voter register, IPAC meeting I am a 9 fair. Now, IPAC meeting a 9. Nienfa ewu electoral commission no eba no mo ebe kan tem na wo nka register ho asem wo mo kan no matwe afom wo mo kan no matwe afom emu mienu ye work out. In fact emu baako yes you work out of the meeting. That is the latest meeting I call it kwa me ko du ono no o ma asem wo be kan say in fact ni say yo bu ye ni so mati IPAC meeting ni mo mienu e chiro nka ta ko mo say na meeting then committee then and yet you discuss the same topic, taking decision. You could play more on my area concern, or yet more reply by a coin. You could do what money is yeah. Now committee and one day my invite you to topic is a register homes and some applications for 2020 registration. Much you know, a bad and yet you discuss someone yes, deny me, deny yes. As someone catcher and say, a man says he be discussed the year. Now, mobile the catcher and say, yeah, dear now, but you know, coronavirus, or moon to me, and where to know more fair. That meeting, you participated. That is the only meeting out of the year, Yakwa, you're working out. The second one, you're working out, no meeting. Companies now, or my shortlist your museum demonstration, procurement process now, no more evaluation, and no fresh year participating. They draw near say, now money you can't see if I register, some will register for floor. Moon can't put some of a tender, I'm a month for day, a woman big about. I'm a master selected 4 companies are shortlisted. You buy a part meeting, you discuss it, the when the voter register semaba mo say afi na mo be man krata e dey akire reasons nti a mo pese mo ye new voter register na ho twentem pepe ma frɛ say mbrambe witness demonstration na obetimi say bi o akwachi anoma abo anoma etutu no ho e dey abekire me yen say abo anoma be
na ejabo me
nyambra asem
otuguno
kwame
you know peace council say so can you say the Electoral Commission has the mandate to make decisions that will maintain peace of the country. We have to allow the EC to work according to the laws of the country. It is so we say, one, EC compilation mutiano, is it by law? Is it by moral justification? And a dear and more assigning as reason to data. In Yanu Pabede.
Kwame, Obiane, a peace council, and yet, it's near say. Electoral Commission, they have to make decisions to bring peace in the country. As some Cassia is in a Busana Kwame, as a Busan, Mona Busa, Tifo, say, and you be a swampa, a final Electoral Commission, 18 and Amono, and the peace in the Bana. Yes, I was say, Maraho, my use in the point, say, what they ever yet, Juma. You say, a Monano, who knew a disso at the year, Juma. Tell who said, a Maraya Yemen, you know. Adida a friend convention dwumadi a yedi akwan a hyehyɛ nyɛma toto yɛ nyɛma a yɛde asomdwaba ɛne yɛsa wɔ constitution yɛmbusa sɛ electoral commission wɔn de convention no ayɛ adwuma asa de mmara no nso ayɛ adwuma the answer is a very big no. Now yɛmfa no nto nkyɛn na yɛnhwɛ nyɛma mmienu a sisi ano ama ɛyi yɛtwi dawre a last week yɛyɛ press conference. One, a voter register now, yes, come out and say register now, when you press on the yet. And yet, a dear, one, technically, no, feasible. Two, operationally, no, feasible. Three, you see, a public health challenges at the count, you see, and one year. Now, or my population is fun, and our day area every
the question is, say, one Casanano, no one by say. Say a bill say ye registration sa social distancing protocols no omo de beba ama enema nyina mu adaho enti no one wo tro say if they are doing their job according to the law and they are not breaching the law, then we have to allow them to do their job. Enti no other than ye nyai those protocols no emfama wo according to the electoral commission the peace council no ema wo nyɛ wo madwuma.
So, Kwame, you are a body called the work for COVID-19. A bra every as you could do 5,700. No, or patches or more money. I really need a man practicing social distancing. A doctor for me and that's for money. I really because of man practicing social distancing. So, share a fire electoral commission registration here will be able to now catch yourself practicing social distancing. I am spread here. What that now? But again, no dey focus no kwame. Focus no ne say ohwe emra edahwa. One, say electoral commission say was start registration, mass registration within this year. Challenge kesiye edaho che say omu be bumra ne so ama by 7 December omu ntumi election. Kwame what can CI 91 eda. What can CI 94 so that. Gam you know and govern the election. CI 91 registration processes. And as CI 94 no institution to the common election no. Okay, CI 91 now. Electoral commission say answer no bear registration yeah. Organizing registration centers from not the political parties 21 days before the registration will start. Current situation I was here electoral commission the Morocco to parliament say omo amend CI 91 no section 1 clause 3. Section 1 clause 3 no you never be a free mama na Ghana card any passport member of the money at home come. Ebe mature first week in June. Kwame semrane mature that is the time omo betimi at the registration centers in your Miami na clusters of Miami na akọ publishing company to gazette. We are also the political parties 21 days before the start of the registration exercise. No. So we the ban not just by June end no etwemu.
Me bo ayi Mr. Boame. Wo bi se aye na adwuma. Wo se an wo betumi aye am ye de atoaba. Na say me ni wo aye ti na echi aye so yes oh wontumi nye. Ye kan say
Kwame enye wono nko an adwuma. Aye ye ne adwuma.
Ah oh okay.
Electoral commission ma na enye wono nko adwuma. Ye ni na so ya tere mu ane na ya. Emra so na ho. Enti mra na sisi America. So one always in Bransem. Enti na America. So atia. Enti na do na twom. We mass registration. I want to mean 30 days mass registration the whole Ghana with potential registrable voter population of 17.7 million. Want to mean the Busumi back. It also the program now with the bar first and I'm in 45 days. 45 days no can I the extension back county maximum no plan I told you the 2 months. July, June, into July, August, You find it 45 days, we be 15th August. We are a man say 3 months. As I only cleaning the duplication, this annual money now provide the provisional register. If for 3 months, 15th August, who could do it? September, October, November, 15th November. Now, after the white provisional register, obey exhibition 3 weeks. Therefore, the Sadana obey publishing a provisional register now. All the exhibition is successful. 3 weeks, 15th November, who read December. And on that chain, CI 94 now, elections, which they say you must issue rate of elections 90 days before the election itself. Your constitution says about 7th December. And you know, rate of election, you must issue it 90 days before 7th December. Who issue rate of election now? No will be a nomination. Now, who be a nomination? We need voter ID card, any voter population, any voter data, which is certified, and now the higher filing of nomination. Because across the country, every region, every constituency, the only party you know more endorsement. Okay, 2016, I had Ghana, Nana Kuledu party, several other parties, they were disqualified from contesting the election based on that. Okay.
Mekai.
Aha. It's a requirement of the law. It's already standing there ready about me. Would you issue the rate of election?
And I was say, they can work within the calendar.
I mean, I said you in previous son. And I said you in previous son. Young so you to me kaya you will answer your dear about to achieve. And he said you quite kaya dinner, who should me digest the fear now, or no bit now, or cut or no bit you know. Now we didn't say any you call you most young money, you young money, non and sweat, a tiambra, and the trouble, Beba. And the crisis about not 7th December, me and your election. Young car, which you said you have and some phone call the name as one. Over Parliament, and after the date of election, who go outside of majority to me. I just want your minority count because if you want to change the date for the election, you need to test majority. It's quite good. You can't, you're making an function. Young second point. You see, you accuse of buying any NI, any UCC or more your Kasubu. Self mobility be about one, Chin Electoral Commission could be when you did now, I was out 5 meetings now, I'll be bossing. You pay a seminal of voter register, yet the Ghana card there. Because of you. Yen yen so can yan so no man ajo yen president Akufo Addo yi pa yen pan before faso ya about one year ma emra NI for starting registration president
me apani unim ebrentin pese ye hwese ye new voters register ya wi ye de koto aba ehin na wiemu no beba
Kwame Mesro unche meka you are no sa won tiafe ji se machere to sa niam we mu nti mesro pa ma me mere katra mi
na ye ni yo mate me dase
so it is a ohwe Ghana card na ekoye na abaye no eyi voter ID card efri mu we several ID cards free mu ma ye homre so ka se sa de we ya mu yi so mo koso na mo yesa ebema mpufo bebre entimi
but ye okay say by law no na ye de akọ court ama court no aka na ayi afiri mu
kwame ye by law no ne yemfa court yi free mo de control parliament and a parliament approve ye majority ebo mu say o yan yi free mu nti o de ma me tene ne kakra
okay
ye nko de ntenta so afiase aha it kwame ye registration start ye can irregularities and cost kwai na ma fa so eyi birth and death director of voter registration so bi aba no be ye ka sanse bu nyina sisi a ye dawe wie ya de pitiri NI for sa registration ya wo hwe eyi population na eni pa 11 million eni timi register ye kwame out of 11 million 7 million penny nya wo moka Electoral Commission so ye ni dumadie nyina no ye busa no Ghana card ho nsem e wo IPAC osi o da bida wo ntimi use Ghana card as a sole identification because Ghana card system ni kura ye different o template ni ye different me type an krata ye ne committee of eminent advisors share January in Qatar Electoral Commission, the year presentation, the political parties, any committee of eminent advisors, Omu di chemu, verse like 27 of Omu presentation, Kwame. Say, Ghana card in Yadi Ombetime use, voter ID card, no system, no mobile, no the voter ID card for police station. And no money easy, na Omotini use data from the existing system. Na Womode higher registration, no. Way January. Kwame, after that, no, February, NIA for any electoral commission for any antawantawa for actually that will radio so Emma Professor Tifaka say Omunya can use NIA system and electoral commission babon because Omuntini use NIA system because Omu template no Omunya is different and Omu registration the crap was Omu the way Konanya the Ombetini it's Omuntini use. Kwame me as was TV also TV. Joy feminine your money never news kasi apami as was only Professor Tifaka aside. I think COVID-19 aba ye obi abon ho bai ya kotem yen kan bi nhemu kwami ye sore ya electoral commission and afa kwati kwa so say or the bill ko parliament akome amend this year 91 now kwami ye interest in pano of all the provisions in the CR 91 section 1 plus 3 per ena electoral commission amend ye and the electoral commission all the identification documents and what's happening and the way your passport and the Ghana card. Ghana card for no or more card no do police station which media actually so we Ghana for some person will register no 1 million. Passport population na 2 million. Ghana fuel passport na 2 million. Only the passport also the Nkwala will be 8 months, 1 year. We estimate to adults or more passport 1 million. Kwame, who says one passport to man used to be a Ghana card into a bit near Casa 7 million. And yet, why didn't say, adults no more use passport in our crap. Woman count one cry Ghana card 7 million, or the count a bit 8 million. Who says 7 million and so now I can't watch them. In Kuala already 15 years, 17 years, 15 years, 16, 17, or 1 to Abba. Would the air you be says 7 million no crack card by some divine intervention, by some spiritual miracle? 7 million in our air or more about 18 on between our trouble. Kwame, your part say Nipa 8 million, and then could not police station and register so we now put you qua. Now, penny. It is not possible. Share identification documents I would now. Our media says here in the Mona. Ghana card and the passport. Voter ID card, pet and ID card. It is subject to the challenge of the people in the community. Voter ID card, pet and young. Among 18 better political parties, they are the representative better polling station or actually assume a seat will be seen and you say, when you're Ghana and answer when you're Ghana. It is all come with credible identification document. I bet you say. I think they are not being Ghana. We vote ID card is in one.
Now, my name is so, issue of voters ID card and we are the idea. When you need per the call Mremu na call to Jaya will see Edibana Yatrao.
They be calling Yantrao Kran and your money you cran say. Sir Ukai Abu Ramadan versus the Republic. One more ruling on Sa a NHIS card, no. Actually, identification. Some ruling, no. Actually, say, wouldn't mean identification, a primary identification document, yeah, are viable than a voter register. Almost explaining the reasons, and some of the reasons I've given you. There is rather a court ruling, which is indicating that wouldn't mean come more beyond register, woman use voter ID card.
I say, what my Brentino. A dear nature said, Sadia way a tantamount to the rigging of the elections.
Very good. Near a man, it's a tantamount to rigging of the election. It's one, NIA, who said, Omuye Juma under President Kufuado. NIA, consciously from the amateur, will deliberately has decided that Omube reducing the number of votes in the process. 1. 2. NIA, Emra will start registration. All the strongholds of the NDC, excluding Ashanti region, any eastern region machines are almost call deliberately one more can say what force on down I can say number of machines on the coin and now chief professor for statement or now one can treat them some machines are almost call all the other regions apart from Ashanti region now from because Ashanti region now second tranche of equipment are normal procurement aba into almost the minimum kubu Ashanti region and almost 2.5 months. Other regions machines almost call maximum 2,000 machines per region. No more the 2 weeks or 3 weeks or almost my registration no every. It's a money pattern into register. In fact, averagely, 62% of the registrable population and on went to me and register for Ghana card. 62%.
I mean, Bo, would you ever say 62% at me and register and Tiakoka 38%? At the end, extra 38%, you know, rigging bibu.
Naturally, 38% in the rigging bibu, say majority of the 38% constituting almost about 60% is the Eastern region and Ashanti region. Who said Eastern region, only a registration only 2 weeks. 2 weeks, you know, nipa 1.2 million and they register. Nipa 1.2 million because we deploy machines in Ekubu for 2 weeks. Meanwhile, other regions are like Upper East, Upper West, as high as 94% of the registrable population enter me and register. Now, when you hear the crowd more expose and I for expose what mine. One statement I would be to John. One more jar to say, now come on, train some bear mop up. It was our region. Now by June, Omania 16 million, Omo target me 16 million. Why? Nanka NIA, 16 million. And now a good one, any chrome card bears 16 million. And you say, yeah, the car identification material, how they acquire batwa. Now,
Eddie, how then do you think it's say?
They both have it, but on one case, opposite that process is incomplete. I'm a 7 million per every crack card, you know. Now, 7 million per the crack card, and I found Casajatu. So, I'm ready because process, you know, I am now the card process now. A bunch of a war electoral commission. I won't work first to process who use Uganda card. Now, one can also court, I'm a show, it says. Voter ID card name was credible. Now, we best how I could be a NIA to say, move with data and incomplete, no, and my name could use. Now, there's 16 million people crying and 20. Is
it an admission of the fact to say, do you know where you see region, Ashanti region? One way MP before.
Oh, now, family say.
But because you isn't maybe a question maybe because Uba Eastern regional when you say is so cosmopolitan in nature. Ubenya the Dangbes, Ubenya the Krobos, Ubenya the Asantes, Ubenya the Kwapims, Ubenya the Achims. Bebre
Kwame na juma wa ye wa manyosem di amanyosem achi ase o bisa ma se nweze omo itini Ashanti dodo na etuma MPP anade na e be nwa taka o go kunu dodo na etuma MPP wo almost strong hold no yan strong hold ne 14 regions na aka no
hey 14 ade mi bo
ebia apo afa ho aye central region and ebia western region
nane mo dia 14 dia na se ma wini awi o
so Kwame to what you
me say wo dia
population na some social population na for my adwuma ogu na wo ka sa 14 regions na aka ni nyina na mbes kura wo nya ye na ni ehu wo mu kura ni say ye ni sa mienu no akoye kutu apochen mienu no ka boma senka wo wie eastern region full period na nka wo bo say
but ye wo
clearly no aban no I deliberately it's no process no ayen nwona was regions when na and 2 regions no my anything and numbers no so no omodi atudwa no extra ne ye kan support ne ye kan the evidence is abound so afia
Mate medase
peace council Kwame ye kan nyina ne peace council yansa kan craft idea from go na it has come rather too late but in manifesto no achianso emuye esinado bunyina yes we ban critical say or mobile dialogue no na ya kiasi aka we are available but Kwame say ye konye ye koi yi fi bisa asu brache koso ye aduma Kwame say ni amon che ma electoral commission yi. So wo mo koso ya. Nobody can guarantee the peace and stability of our democracy, Kwame.
Okay.
What is some MPP for kaya you obri buan mo keka ne ne ma ne ntokwa ne tete o mo tete. So you Kwame obi anyi wo fo wo mam ho. Na ye nananom a wo mo kugi o man wo mo kuye pa o. Ni ye du no ye daake o man ne daake o man ne kabi ma min kabi o man na so wie. Ena President Kufuor MPP fo.
Ba Otuguno.
Kwame mi ti o.
Wo kai se Ghana card e ba no. As a party musi gina I say mon register. Say a free that standpoint no.
Kwame so enu ti na nka mpese otu bo na me church oni amadum.
Ba brenti
parliament here. Wo mo dem na call parliament o mo yi voter ID card free mo. Your members of parliament mo hono me so kra boycott sa registration o mo de ba on because wo mo yi bi say eye ade a emfa kwa mu. Se sa ade ni timi koso Ghana for do na ebe disenfranchise ebe suppression of vote me kai see statements ayeye me boss dia oyeye minority leader ayeye nyina e ka san sem we nyina ye predicting ye ka ho asem ene so ase enti no sa ayi enkumodie na ye dia ne atwa fa so say ko parliament the grand ye pass him run am say mo participate in na so it's neither here nor there time almost starting mass registration Kwame. Yes, I issue statement 10 years. Issue statement cartel. And this media bibia wo bia no. A national exercise. Ya change their court ya say. Still no MPP for majority or move piansa am na we e dia exclude amount for free mu. Nti bibia wo bia no betime any opportunity to register. Ama kwani mo amusa be train fi die no so be train say hey NDC o ma so o ma gen. It is so service question here. We want to hear me because what follow process, and every step of the way we have spoken. In fact, the court cry. In Kofobi, the court say I didn't be Ghana card free.
Okay.
Still almost okay. I hold judgment in by.
Mate.
Say you I'm sorry, who you journalist, any move journalist fraternity. Mamu who say NDC for Tokwa. Mamu who say political parties in Enya and on Tokobi. Near Echo Bruno, it is a battle about citizenship. It is a battle about who is a Ghanaian and who has the right to vote. It is a battle and KSF starting in the first place, because one more to President Kufuor, Emma and be president. Some for 40 minutes, President Kufuor almost 10 million a free. So Ghana for meanwhile, also where we need election by 1 million vote gap. It's a crime. That's the way the United sorry me and Cassia 3-1. Ebe yi bone na sa bere na ebe du na ebe mu zade na yi bone no na ye tuli
meda seminua meda se
ba me so meda se
yo Peter Boama otuko no de na etwi okay 101.7 so pa
Okay FM 101.7